Mr. President, I have the honor to present to you the head of mission designate representing the Federal Republic of Somalia, His Excellency Mr. Mohammed Ali Mire, and the embassy official Mr. Ali Mohammed Sheikh. Your Excellency, sir. Yes.
Dimasiani Indi, Mr. President. Sani Bonani, Mr. President. Koyemira, Mr. President. And good afternoon. I think the year of 2020 will be the year of Somalia and South Africa. Under your leadership, we expect that we will get whatever we expect. Please please allow me to convey you the warm greeting that I received from your brother, my President, His Excellency Mohammed Abdullahi Farmajo, and I'm expecting to do whatever I can do under your leadership. Finally, allow me to pass my credentials and hope to work with you, friend. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
For the wonderful greetings.
Absolutely.
You may join.
Join us. Yes, wonderful.
Thank you.